Welcome, I'm Mrs. C, and this is Math Defined. One of my awesome viewers asked me to help out with this subtraction problem. It's a challenging problem because the denominators for the fractions are different, and we're going to have to borrow in order to solve it. Let's get into it. First, I'll rewrite this subtraction problem vertically. Next, I see that the fractions have different denominators, so I need to find a common denominator. Since 2 divides evenly into 8, I'll use 8 as the common denominator. Starting at the top with 4 and 3/8, since the denominator is already an 8, I just bring over the numerator 3. Moving down to 3½, I know that 2 times 4 is 8, and then I need to multiply the numerator by 4 as well, and 1 times 4 is 4. Now we're ready to subtract, but we can't subtract 3 minus 4. So we need to borrow from the whole number 4. The 4 changes to a 3. Now we're entering the part where so many students have difficulties. Once you have borrowed from the whole number, you need to give what you borrowed to the fraction. So I'm going to show you a shortcut that will hopefully help you out. It's very simple and it works every time. And if you watched my previous videos on subtracting fractions and mixed numbers, I think you can see why this shortcut works. I placed a link to one of these videos in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, the shortcut. The shortcut is to add the denominator 8 to the numerator 3, and 8 plus 3 is 11. Now we can subtract. 11 minus 4 is 7, and we keep the denominator 8. Next, we move on to the whole numbers, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now looking at the fraction 7/8, we see that we can't reduce it, so we are done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this answers your question. And until next time, keep math awesome.